thank you guys for doing this. It looks sick.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a very special installation for someone that a lot of you are going to recognise. So this is Mat Armstrong's new workshop. So we did his old workshop a long time ago. He's now obviously grown his channel. He's in a much bigger unit. So this is a 700 square metre unit and we've got to have it all done within 2 days. So stay tuned and we're going to get started. So for everyone who was thinking, why are we not just using the pallet truck to get it off, this is exactly why. We've just tried and failed, so back to the old method. The pump truck is now stuck. Right, so the boys are just bringing the tiles in. We've got 8 pallets, 3,200 tiles to lay. This is meant to be done over 2 days. The boys now think they can get it done today, so they're putting us under pressure. Stay tuned, let's see if we can get 3,200 tiles laid, all cut to shape in 1 day. Right, so it's coming together nicely. While the boys have just finished off the full ties, some of the boys are jumping on cuts. So Adam's just measuring up around his door frames and we're going to start cutting around the edges. So it looks like the boys were right. I think they want an easy day tomorrow, so everyone's cracking on, just cutting around the edges. So it looks like we're almost done, but that's all the stuff that takes a bit more time. So we're just getting around the edges. Then we need to give it all a good mop, clean it all up, get rid of all the dust that came off the concrete, and we'll be ready to go.
So different. Completely transformed it all. Yeah. How does this do that in a day? There's a mallet for you there as well.
Oh yes.
Can do the finishing touch.
This is the TikTok special.
You've got the job.
That looks wicked.
So a massive thank you to Garage Style for completely transforming the new unit. It wouldn't be the same without the Garage Style floor. So thank you for coming doing that. Any words?
The second booking, we appreciate it. Can't wait to see you start filming in it. So
I'm a microphone guy at the minute now. This feels weird.
go and interview everyone.
That's
Adam,
it.
come in.
Everyone's in, everyone's on the microphone. How was it fitting the floor?
No, do you know what? It was actually alright. We were dreading it a little bit, just because it's about you got about 675 square meters here.
Yeah, there's a lot.
It's a big amount. So.
Yeah, I thought when he said one day you've done it, I was like, what the hell?
And obviously Harry came here, it was a completely empty unit.
Yeah.
And then he was saying that you were saying, oh, I'm getting ramps, and we were like, oh, no, like, oh, here we go.
Yeah, this was a pig farm before this. Yeah, so now completely transformed. You can roll on this floor, and you'll be cleaner than when you got up because it's.
I'm pretty sure I did sweep a bit of hay.
No, it looks mint. So thank you guys for sorting that out. And if you need to get any flooring for your gym, your garage, kitchens as well. I don't know why we got onto kitchens, but I do want to see one in the kitchen. You can do that with the link below this video or above it, whether it's on YouTube or TikTok, whatever this video may be on. But thank you guys for doing this. It looks sick.